Good morning. Welcome to City Drive Car Rental. My name is Laura. How can I help you today?
Hi, Laura. I'd like to rent a car for a couple of days. I just arrived in the city and I need a car to go around and visit some places.
Of course. How many days would you like to rent the car?
I'm not sure yet. Probably 2 or 3 days, depending on the weather.
No problem. You can decide later. Could I have your pickup date?
Yes. I would like to pick up the car today, Friday, March 14th.
Great. Let me check what cars we have available today. We have three options: a small compact car, a mid-size sedan, and an SUV.
Okay, what's the difference between them?
The compact car is small and good for city driving. The sedan is more comfortable for longer distances. The SUV has more space and is better for mountain roads or bad weather.
Hmm. I think I'll take the sedan. What's the price?
The sedan costs $40 per day. The compact car is $30 and the SUV is $55 per day.
Okay, $40 is fine. Does the price include insurance?
It includes the basic insurance, but we also offer full insurance for an extra $15 per day. Full insurance covers damage, accidents, and roadside assistance.
I think I'll take the full insurance. I don't want any problems.
Good choice. Now, do you prefer an automatic or manual car?
Automatic, please. I'm not very comfortable driving manual.
All right. We have an automatic sedan available today.
Perfect. And what about the fuel policy?
Our standard policy is full to full. You pick up the car with a full tank and you return it with a full tank. If not, we charge the difference.
That's fine.
Also, please note that the mileage limit is 200 kilometers per day. If you drive more, there is a small extra fee.
Okay, that shouldn't be a problem.
Before I confirm the booking, can I have your full name, driver's license, and a phone number?
Sure. My name is Daniel Thomas. Here is my driver's license. And my phone number is +1 5553294
Thank you, Mr. Thomas. Everything looks good. Your car will be ready for pickup in about 10 minutes.
Great, thank you. What time do I need to return it?
You can return it anytime before 6 p.m. on the final day. If you need a late return, just let us know.
Okay. And is there parking near your office?
Yes, we have a private parking area behind the building. You can leave the car there when you return it.
Perfect. Thank you for all the information.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip and enjoy your stay.
Thanks, Laura. Goodbye.